Can you guess the word?
My name's Hiccup.
Great name, I know, but it's not the worst.
Parents believe a hideous name will frighten off gnomes and trolls.
Like our charming Viking demeanor do that.
Morning!
Okay, so Hiccup is using this word to sarcastically say that their charming Viking demeanor might hypothetically result in frightening off gnomes and trolls. Hiccup is using the word would.